You know, I'm pretty flawed, okay? Sometimes I rub the wrong shoulders of some people, and you know, I try my best or whatever, and you know, I definitely am in need of a savior. So, but thank you for your sentiment. I understand what you mean.
Order filled.
Let me go to. All right, I got one entry, but if this doesn't hold here, we'll get hurt. We'll get hurt. We'll get hurt. I'm one of the best? No, I'm not. I'm just an average Joe trader, man. Average Joe. You got traders locking in $2.5 million. You know, I'm just trying to do my thing, stay in my lane, right? I know what I am and what I'm not. I'm just, you know, locking 1,000 here, 2,000 there. I'm happy. Give thanks to my God, you know. So I don't need to be. Ooh,
order
what was
canceled.
that? What was that, man? Let's go. Let's go. Oh my. Oh man, sometimes the candle works in your favor. Sometimes it works against you. Guys, sorry I yelled into the thing, man. Am I too excited? Sorry about that, guys. Should I tone it down a little bit? I don't mean to, you know, blast your eardrums out there, man. So I'm just a little excited. When I trade on my own, I'm kind of excited like that too. So, but you want me to tone it? Oh, Kwamtaki, you want me to tone it? Okay. You want to tone it louder, right? Okay, got it. You didn't say tone it down or higher, so I guess I'll take it as tone it higher. I'll tone it higher for you, okay? JP, love it? You guys know God is good. That God's good, you know. You know what? I think I should lock it here. Nah, I'm going to trail one last. This is Ninja Trader 8. Ninja Trader 8. I'm out. 1900. Next account. Boom. Man. So far traded 6 accounts already. 5 out of 6 green. And big green too. 1800, 1500, 1800, 500, 300. And got one blown. What a start so far. Beautiful. Great job, guys.
Order
really well
canceled.
done, guys. Anybody got the long, short, long? Or at least caught some plays of the long and the short with us
canceled.
here? Don't follow me. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? This is pure entertainment.
Order canceled.
But in case if you decide to trade on your own, did you guys get any of these long and short here? JB got it? Nice. Marcus long. Paul got it. Gen X. Keiko some of it. Fateh. Michael got the long jury. Lots of you guys. 7 green, 1 red. JB, let's go. Let's go. Look at this inverted hand shoulder right there.
Order
Beautiful
submitted.
start of the morning, guys. Beautiful. Be careful, guys. Be careful, guys. Nothing
canceled.
goes straight up. Nothing goes straight down. This hourly candle is pretty exaggerated. Unless they do a straight green here and hold, then we pump. But just know this hourly candle is pretty exaggerated right now, okay? And we're opening up another candle right now. We're opening up another candle now. Right now, 10 o'clock, we're going to open another candle. So just know, nothing goes straight up, nothing goes straight down. You missed that pump making coffee, DJ? You can always get another one. You better enjoy that coffee now, okay, DJ?
Order submitted.
You better enjoy it.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
It's like coffee, you taste really good right now. Even though it doesn't. Because I miss my play. You taste exceptionally well today, coffee.
Order canceled.
Tradify link not working? Which link are you referring to? The one inside the Discord? Let me see. Hey, can you guys do me a favor? Someone says the Tradify link is not working. Oh, I didn't edit this one. My bad. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate you. Let me change it right now. Let me change it right. Thank you, guys. Let me change it right now.
Order canceled.
It should work now. I just updated the link. It should work right now. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you. You're the goat, Karen. I prefer to be a sheep that follow the Great Shepherd. So on the day when he returns, I definitely don't want to be a goat. But I know the sentiment. I know what you mean by that. I appreciate your kind words. But when the Great Shepherd returns, I guarantee you all want to be a sheep. Okay, when he returns.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submit. Order canceled.
Big momentum so far. Pretty big momentum so far. MSP, we cleared our eval. Thanks to you. Great job, Amps. Great job. You're the one who executed. So great job on you. You're the one who executed. So great job. They may be going for this yellow line here. Look at this crazy hammer on the hourly chart. Crazy hammer. ATR is 20 right now. Very, very healthy. Very, very healthy. Probably going for this yellow line right here. This overnight high here. Can I show you how to draw the box? KR, basically look for confluence of price. But if you want more details on it, just rewatch 8.3. Module 8.3 inside the course. If you don't have it, you can go to fspfutures.com. There's a way to get my course for free. If you buy 10 take profit accounts with my code FSP or 5 Tradeify instant funded accounts, you get it free. So if you're going to buy those accounts anyway, might as well use my code FSP. You get the maximum discount. You don't pay anything extra and you get my course free. So
order canceled.
JB, I'm done for the day. Now only watching you and do mods work. Thank you. Great job, man. Great job, JB.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I draw box 730 and 760. I wouldn't draw it necessarily right here. No, I wouldn't.
Order filled.
I'm expecting them to do a balance today. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So, right now they're doing the up. Okay?
Order filled.
Crazy push.
Order filled.
Apex allows you DCA only if you don't break the negative 30% drawdown rule. The 3 accounts I requested payout on, 1 got denied because of that rule. So I got 2 paid for $7,000, but then 1 I got denied because
Order filled.
I did the, you know, I
Order canceled.
violated that rule.
Order
Wow,
canceled.
what a squeeze, man. Certainly did not see that coming.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
I do have my second entry now. This is my first entry here. What a crazy squeeze. 690, another 60 points? Are you crazy? Like from here? 55 points. Wow, that's great. If I can get even on this first entry, I'm going to go and manage my second entry. Wow, crazy squeeze. They're probably going to go for the yellow line then.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
You told me, bro. Smart planning tech. Okay. Next time you're gonna trade, you can tell me too, bro. Okay. Don't tell me the red ones though. Okay. Just tell me the green ones. Seems like you know which ones are gonna be green and which ones are gonna be red. So tell me next time, bro. Just the green ones, please. Okay. I mean, this is trading real time. I don't know it's going to squeeze like that. You know, I'm getting hurt on this one. Who knows? I mean, that's trading. Does it suck? Yeah, it sucks. It sucks. You know, I wish it didn't do that, but they're squeezing. So, some red, some green. That's trading. You know, sometimes you're red, sometimes you're green. Crazy momentum. Look at this hourly chart. What is going on this hourly chart? Look at this. Man, no pullback at all. Straight up. Some massive short squeeze, man. Some massive short squeeze.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Wow, this is serious, bro. They going for the yellow line, this algo. They're not stopping.
Order canceled.
They ain't stopping.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
They just swept the overnight highs. Crazy rip. 590 straight up.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
What a crazy rip. Apple selling off, Amazon some down, Palantir very strong.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Out this account, got 4 accounts green here. Very nice, beautiful.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Beautiful, beautiful. Let me stay with this second entry here, because this one, if it goes, that one will get even if it drops. I'll work with this. I already covered
Order
2,
canceled.
so this is the third entry. Well, not I did 4 accounts, so I covered 2 accounts for a win. Now this is the third account. I also got 1 more. That one, the first entry is fine. If it breaks even, breaks even. If it gets hurt, it gets hurt. Rotate it into it. Just swept the highs. Just swept the highs.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Cover 1 more on this one.
Order filled.
All right, I took a small loss, $300 on that first entry, but then I got 4 accounts green. So I locked in a $300 loss on that one because I already full ported and then I Bonox funded. If it has 1 more pump, it's gonna blow that account. So I rather took a $300 loss on that first entry, which is it probably drops, but I don't want to risk another pump and blow that account because I full ported into that account. I added full port, like it started here and added till here. I rather take a $300 loss, have a trade day, because I got 4 accounts green, right? So I don't want to blow that one. So it's still net green. Beautiful day, beautiful day. What a squeeze, huh? Straight up
Order
squeeze.
submitted.
Let's see if they can bring it back to balance. If they can bring it back to balance here, and they let's say they come up here and keep holding, man, we pump another 50, 100 points from here. Right now, I'm looking for them to balance. Like basically, they came, squeezed everybody out, including me. Fortunately, I was able to adjust it. Only took a $300 loss on that account that got really hurt, and then I got 4 accounts green. So I locked in 2. This one's the third one. I'm green on this one, and I also got 1 more green. So that was pretty tricky, man. That was pretty tricky. You gotta learn how to adjust your trades. So, I'm on December contract. That's right.
Order filled.
Very, very strong still. Very, very strong. All right, I'm going to close this one for a $700 gain. I'm going to rotate to other accounts. I don't want to lose the $700 here, so still pretty good. I'm going to rotate to another account. I reshorted another account, so
Order submitted. Order filled.
don't want to lose 700 here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Wow, this hourly chart. I mean, look at this daily breakout. They really don't allow it. They really don't allow this hammer to get touched again. What a crazy market. Look at this hourly chart. Double hard hammer like that. We got massive people stuck in shorts. If you blow your bonus account the day after you request your payout, you blow your payout. That's why I always say do not ever trade your accounts that are already at payout. Don't do it.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna close it. Too strong.
Order filled.
Too strong. Crazy momentum.
Order filled.
Crazy momentum.
Order filled.
I was expecting a balance day, but they did a, invert head and shoulder straight up. What a crazy move. Trainer Jesus, grace, faith plus future is equal to Jesus plus legacy. Yeah, if you requested a payout, don't touch that. Don't touch the account, guys. I never understand the logic of keep on trading account to quote unquote build a buffer. I honestly don't understand the logic. It literally makes no sense. It literally makes no sense. Okay? You're literally risking your cold hard cash
Order submitted.
on some. It's like someone give you $5,000 cash, if it's a $5,000 payout, and you just go and throw it in the, in the fire pit and burn it up. Like I
Order
don't
submitted.
understand it. So right now, I think what they're trying to do is they're trying to stay away from this area. They really want to hold, like when the market goes straight up like that, it means that they want to stay far away from like a point of contention. Okay, so they want to print this so that you can't even get like short-term wise, you can't even get back near the area. And then what they'll do is, I'm thinking right now they go up and chop in this up area. So I'm going to look for a consolidation trades here, probably here above 720. I think they're going to chop around this area today. I doubt we have another 100 points trade up. We could. The market is crazy right now. Look at this, all-time high breakout here like this. But, nothing goes straight up. So I'm just looking for maybe like more like pull up and down, that kind of stuff. So
Order filled.
Order filled.
so far they're pushing, right? From the 600s, they push straight up 180 points. Okay. So far, that's what they're doing.
Order submitted.
I'm looking for them to churn up in this area. Up, down, consolidate in this area.
Order filled.
Order canceled.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Smash the like button. That's right, Fiber. Right now we have 2,400 people. If you enjoyed trading with us this morning, and not only that, at 800 likes, we do the first giveaway. If you want to be part of it, make sure you hit that like button. Today, let's do. Yesterday we did 5 Fund Index accounts and then 10 Apex. Today, let's do 4 My Fund Futures. Let's do 4 My Fund Futures account and also 1 Tradeify. Let's do a Lightning Funded. Let's do a 50K Lightning Funded. All right, 4 My Fund Futures, 50Ks and a 50K Lightning Funded. How about that? If you buy it yourself, it'll be $356, okay? And also the My Fund Futures account. So if you don't have My Fund Futures, make sure you go sign up for an account, okay, for free. If you have an account or you want to buy accounts, use the code FSP, okay? You'll get the maximum discount, okay? After you like the stream and subscribe to the channel, if you want to be part of the giveaway, you have to go inside the Discord underneath giveaways and follow the instructions there. Okay. Let's look at the payouts, by the way, huh? Terry took my first payout with Take Profit. Excited to take advantage of these daily payouts. There you go. First payout badge. Great job, Terry. Guys, I'm looking for them to do some kind of balance, okay? If they don't bring it back straight down here to balance, I think they chop around this upper zone here. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down here, because they want to print it a really bullish candle today. You see this daily chart? They're printing a really bullish candle. Okay. Financials, XLF ripping, semiconductors, massive breakout, crazy semiconductors. It's like massive gap below and massive breakout to the upside. This is crazy. Super crazy stuff here, man.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Got Terry. TSY. TSY. Wow. How much is this guy? TSY, you here? This is why I like Take Profit. Make sure you get some Take Profit if you're locking in some payouts. These daily payouts are no joke. 10 G's on Take Profit. Great job, TSY. Can you give you the 10K badge here? $10K badge. Well done, man. TSY, you here? Nice. Just give you the 10K badge, man. That's so good, man. Great job. I think we got a couple more people. We got Horace here. Highest payout ever had in one single day account and Take Profit. I'm going to give you the 20K badge because you already previously had the 10K badge, so I'm pretty sure you're at 20 now. Horace, are you here? Great job, man. $8,000 in one day with Take Profit. This is why I like Take Profit. I locked in 1-2 yesterday, but I only got 2,600 requested. After 80-20 split, it's $2,000. So, but I also locked in 9.5K with my Interactive Brokers personal account yesterday. So, beautiful. Great job, guys. Man, this market is relentless so far. Relentless. I'm looking for them. I was expecting them to do some dance down here, and they propped it. It's not lunchtime yet, so maybe they keep pushing it until lunchtime. Push the 800s? Yeah, I mean, they could go farther. 820, 920. I mean, there's some days when I was like, this can't go higher. And then they double the move, like all the way up here. I'm not saying it happens today. I'm just saying never underestimate what the market can do. The reason why I'm shorting right now is because I'm expecting like a consolidation in the zone. I'm thinking of them go up and bring it back to balance. But so far, all they've done is just straight up rip. Okay, so far I am getting a little squeeze here. You're expecting a little retrace to 713. If it's 713, it's not a little retrace. Little retrace like this. 713 is like a sizable pullback on a move like this. So what a crazy move, huh? Every dip absorbed so far. Apple is like bright red though today. Meta is pushing up really hard. Tesla hanging at the highs at 428. Nvidia back up at 175. Financial is really strong today. Big orders at 800 level. Then maybe they're trying to jam up there then. Eric, would you say you can make money in the charts at any time? No. I mean, unless you know what's going to happen. But if you're a real-time trader, not a hindsight trader, it's very hard to trade in conditions when it's not really moving. So, for example, in Asia, I don't trade Asia because Asia moves very, very slow. And it's just hard to make money when it moves really, really slow. Johan, you're getting better about to pass your first eval. Great job. Great job.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'll use the fib when it starts pulling back. Right now, there's no point using the fib. They're just going straight up. May have to can this. Going against the trend here, but I'm expecting them to pull it back, but they're not pulling back. I'm getting hurt here. Look how steep this thing is, man. Crazy. I mean, this is I never expected they'll have a massive green candle like this. I was expecting them to pull it back a little bit here. They just went rocket.
Order filled.
Unbelievable.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
This is crazy stuff,
Order
man.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
That candle's not kidding, man. On a daily breakout, Crazy. I mean, my long-term ETF dividends are so good right now. They're like killing it. That's why if you have some long-term stuff, you can always benefit on big moves like this. I mean, it's killing it. Beautiful. The long-term stuff is really doing well. But this trade here is momentarily getting hurt. Like after here, this drops 750, we ripped another 60 points. It's crazy. Oh man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna get out of this account. This account, I'm gonna hold the second entry because this account got back green. I'm gonna hold this second entry. I fixed this one here, but man, that was not fun, man. Let me hold the second entry here. I'll hold the second entry. This may be the temporary top of the day. They did 3 squeezes to squeeze everybody out. I think now they bring it back into this balance. I doubt we get another pump straight up 60 points. I could be absolutely wrong. This may be the
Order
temporary top for the
canceled.
next 15-20 minutes.
Order submitted.
I think we pull it back sometime into this yellow line, this area, this zone here, and we chop in this zone here. I could be wrong, man. I was wrong here, and then they pumped 60 points up here, so I mean, I could be wrong here, so. Just got my money from Apex on the payouts, $7,000 bucks. Nice. They're paying pretty fast actually, Apex now. Unfortunately, I did get one denied because of the negative 30% rule, but I got 2 approved.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, took one off.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful. The trail this last one here. Probably going to dance in this area now. Okay, probably going to dance in this area now. We pumped from 590 all the way up to 810, 210, 220 points. Probably going to dance in this area now.
Stop filled.
Trailed out, $800 on this fund it. Beautiful. Next account. Next account. Beautiful. What a great day, guys. What a great day. Let me see if I can try to get this previously account that got really squeezed. It's currently down about $300. Let's see if I can put some green into it. Guys, if you enjoyed trading with us, please go ahead and hit the like button, okay? If you haven't hit the like button, why do we have 2,500 people watching and only 500 likes? Not to mention, at 800 likes, we're doing the first giveaway. If you want to be part of winning, there are 5 giveaways today. 5 giveaways for my Fund of Futures account, 50K accounts, and a 50K straight to funded Tradeify. Meaning you don't need to pass an eval. You instantly get a funded account on day 1. All right, yes, this is called instant funded accounts. So if you want, you can go inside my Discord. Even if you don't win the account, you can still get one, right? Go inside here, go to prop firm discounts. There's 7 prop firms I talk about. Tradeify here is the one on the third one here. You use this link, use the code FSP. They're super fast in payouts. Last time I got paid out, it was like in literally 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm giving away that account today. If you buy it, it'll be $356. Okay. I'm expecting this I'm going to draw the fib now because I expect this to be a temporary high here. I expect them to bring it back down here, even in this 38.2 here, and just chop this area. Okay. Pretty nice whip. Yeah.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Very nice pullback. I'm going to lock this last short here.
Order filled.
1700 on the personal. I've never been complimented on my fib, Trader Bliss. Well, you got to draw it. You got to draw it. Send us a screenshot. You know, post it in the Discord. Do I have a video on how to draw a fib? Yes. Go inside module 8 point. Basically, in module 8 of my course, I have 13 videos on all technical analysis. Fibonacci retracement is number 1, 8.1. Right? Go and watch that. If you want to get my course for free, there's a way to get it for free instead of buying it. FSPfutures.com, you put in your name, you put in your email, and next page, you're going to see this. You know, if you buy 10 take profit accounts with my code FSP, you get it free. And if you buy 5 Tradeify lightning funded accounts, which are instant funded accounts, you get it free. Alternatively, you can buy it at $247. I'm actually considering today perhaps doing a flash sale for maybe just 1 hour, because the recent sale passed. I know some of you guys want to buy it, want to get it for discount, whatever. You know, once the sale ends, it ends. If I do a 1 hour flash sale here, I'm going to see if there's interest, okay? And this flash sale is not going to be $50. It's going to be $100 off. It'll basically be going back to previous price before 2.0 revamp, but it's only for 1 hour. If you want me to do that and you actually want to buy it, who wants it, okay? If I give it a code for 1 hour only to get this for $147 instead of $247, who actually wants it? If there's no interest, I won't do it. But if there's some interest or some interest there, I'll do the flash sale. So, you guys do this? Do it. You okay one? Let me just make a poll here. If I give a $100 off flash sale today for 1 hour only, would you buy? Yes, I will buy for 147, normal 247. No. No, I will. A normal price later. And then I already have the course. How come I can't do this poll here? Why can I do the poll here? Let's do a poll here. So far, they bounced off of here.
Order
Man, I want to long that, but I didn't want them to get caught. They bounced off of the 38.2 fib right here. I suspect I'm going to chop around here. Sandru, I already have the course. Well worth the cost, especially with a discount. Thank you, Sandru. Appreciate it. Trader Bless, if it's not moving, what I got to do is I got to disconnect all the firms and then reconnect all the firms, then it should fix it. If Apex deny your payout, doesn't mean the account is blocked. No, it means that you're going to trade out 8 days. I mean, I just got a payout denied by Apex. Because of the 30% rule. But I trade another 8 days, I'll get another payout. So, I mean, it sucks, but you just keep going. You just have to like not give up, guys, right? Some of you guys get so like, oh, you know, they deny my payout, bro. You know, they a scam, bro. Like, you know, you just keep going. You just keep going. I mean, look at this. Okay, I got 2 approved for the 7K that I shown you guys, right? I got this one tonight because of the more than 30% drawdown. I got these paid and I got one denied here. But I'm not going to cry about it. I'm just going to keep doing it, you know. That's why you rotate your accounts. Well, even some accounts get denied, other accounts step in and get paid. So something you gotta learn about trading is you just kind of gotta constantly, guys, is it true that I said this is a temporary high for the next 15-20 minutes? We got it so far. So beautiful. Let's see if they pull in the 32. I want to see them start bouncing like pretty forceful. Okay, like let's say we come down here and we do a forceful bounce. Boom, like instantly, like this kind of action. Boom, forceful. This was a squeeze. Okay. Now, you don't want them to touch 50%, not hold today. Ideally, if you want it really bullish, you don't want to see them even touch 50%. Bounce off the 38.2, then instantly be forceful go up. That's what you want to see. Okay. Have you ever got the knife for 1 to 5 profit roll? No. Currently, only the negative 30%. Because sometimes, like, I have to add in the trade to fix it, and that's what gets me, right? You saw me this morning. I think one of them that one was actually Bonox, but sometimes, I think there's also one Apex. I'm not sure. So sometimes I'm not even aware, you know. But sometimes I rather like get the account back and have it denied and trade another 8 days and get a payout than to like not fix the account. So if it's denied, I trade another 8 days. Okay. So what? All right. Let me see the poll here. 40%. You have the chorus. Okay. All right. I'll do it at 11 o'clock then. Because the timer on my site is every 15 minutes. So if to choose the expiry, I have to choose. So I'll start at 11 and I'll end it at 12 noon. Right here. Okay, guys, remind me when it's 11 o'clock, especially those of you guys who want the course, the flash sale, to do it at 11 o'clock, okay? At lunchtime, I'll do it. And I'll set it up for you guys, okay? So far, or if Kel or some of you mods can remind me at 11 o'clock, that'd be great. Thank you. The share on Facebook is broken? Oh, really? Let me just double check here. It's working for me. Hey guys, is it working for you on the Facebook? Under the giveaway section, that link, is it working for you guys? Because Trace for Freedom, he can't load it for some reason. Can you guys let me know? I don't know what's up with Facebook. It's working for you, James? Okay. Interesting. It's working for a couple of other people. Let me see it again here. Yeah, I have to share a button right now. I have to share a button. I click on it. It seems to be working on my end. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why. Yeah, maybe clear cookies, something like that. Clear cache. Look at that rip, guys, today. If you don't want to be too like tunnel visioned, sometimes if let's say a market, like I used to like to, like I generally like to have $10 increments on NQ. Now, if you don't want to be tunnel vision, like yesterday when the Fed, we had like 300 point bump, I do it at 20 points. So this way you wouldn't be, some of you guys, I see your charts, you're like this. You have 5 point increments like this. And you zoom it like this. Some even go larger. When I look at your chart and you're like, and then like, let's say it was like here, you know, I don't know, like here, and it goes like this. You're like, bro, it's crashing, bro. The market crashing, bro. And I'm looking at the comment. I'm looking at there. Let me see. Okay, 775, 752, 20 points is crashing. I mean, normally this will look like a crash because I have it at 10, 20 point increment. You cannot have your things so small like that. Okay, you fool yourself. You fake yourself out. You know how when you play basketball, you get faked out. The guy fakes left, fakes right. Okay, you fake yourself out. You fake yourself out. Okay. Right now, in order, like right now, there's the chop in the zone. Remember I talked about they come up here and they chop around the zone? I think that's what they're going to do. As long as they hold about 38.2, definitely have to hold about 50%. I think we get this continuation move. I think it is less likely we get a blue skies breakout like that and completely sell off. If we do that, that's going to be very bearish. I think we're going to hold the upper portion today. We're going to hold a big portion of that green candle. Like I think we're going to hold at least 50% of this candle and just chop around here for the rest of the day. Okay. The reason why I can't long here yet is because they haven't swept it. They haven't swept. Once they sweep this, I'll long it. Also, this 1 minute demand here. Oh, you're trying smaller monitors? I see. I got you. But still, even if you have small monitors, even when I was traveling and I was using my laptop, I still have it zoomed to like 10 points. What is the link to sign up for my course? If it's fspfutures.com, but I'm going to run the flash sale at 11 o'clock. So unless you want to pay full price for $247, you can do it right now. But if you wait 8 minutes, I'll drop the flash sale for 1 hour only. And then you can get it for like $147. I've never given that price since 2.0 release. So I'm going to try it and see if you guys like it. 1 hour only. If you guys are watching the replay afterwards, it won't work because the code will expire, but let's see if you guys like it. Because when you guys email me, yo, can you extend the sale? I don't extend the sale, right? I can do another sale, but this one's only for 1 hour. Those sales that run for 5 days, I don't ever extend those things. So right now, ES is pulling back. ES is pulling back as well. Okay. And
Order submitted.
if it comes into this 50% level, I'm not saying it does. If it does, I'm going to look for a more meaningful push. Okay. Right now, I think the 38.2 may be defended and get some kind of good pops. Guys, we're 40 likes away from the first giveaway at 800 likes. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, make sure you like the stream. Once we get over 800 likes, we'll do the first draw today. First draw today. And if you want to be part of it to win the 50K My Funded Futures account or a chance to win the 50K straight to funded Tradeify account, which costs $356 if you buy it yourself, make sure you go subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, okay, and you'll be enrolled. Chair Robert for the course has to be within 30 days, okay? Because sometimes they change the promo. So once they change the promo, I may have to change the offering, but if you get it within 30 days, you should be good to go, okay? So right here, I told you guys this is probably the temporary high for the next 15-20 minutes, and we got that. Okay, we got the temporary high, right? And we sold off from 810 to about 745 right now, so about like almost 70 points. And you know, this is just a garden variety pullback. Okay, I mean, after a pump like this, it's not a problem to have a pullback like that. Okay, and the sky is not falling. Okay. And this hourly chart right now, right, with a huge pump, which is pulling back, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. As I told you, right, while during the momentum, it'll look like it'll keep going higher. But the market likes to take everybody out on the short side. I almost got taken out by one account, but I fixed that account. And is my course mobile phone friendly? Have you guys watched my course on a mobile before? Who has watched their phone, my course on mobile before? Maybe have you guys comment on it. So far, you got this little head shoulder pattern here. Solomon, you watch it? Okay. Is it mobile friendly? Trader Bless works perfectly on mobile? Okay. Well, there you go. There you go. It's obviously going to be a little smaller, right? When I load the charts, and it's going to be hard to see, right? But obviously it's going to be better on the computer. But you can still see. If it's always muted, you can unmute it, Solomon. So there's a button on the top left of the video. When you click on it, you should not be watching the course muted, because you won't hear anything I say, and you won't get 80% of the content if it's muted. So you shouldn't watch it muted, okay? If it's muted, just go to the top left of the video. So let me show you, okay? So on the course, right? For example, you're on module 8.1. You see this here? You got to click it. Once you click it, it gets unmuted. Okay, you don't want to watch it without me talking to you. You won't understand it. So yeah, you need to do it every clip. The reason is because sometimes people are at work or whatever. I don't want to just auto play it loud and then it just, you know, blast out the ears or whatever, you know. So that's why I do it like that. Ken is set to unmute it. I think I can, but I have to go through each and every single one of them. Let me just double check how to do that. Autoplay is on, but there's no way to do unmute. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know why I do it like that. All right, there it is.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
There's a sweep. There's a sweep of this one. 1 minute. Coming in the 38-2 zone here. Coming to the 38-2 zone.
Order submitted.
Man, if this thing sells completely straight down, that'll be crazy. But I don't think so. I don't think they will on a blue sky breakout like that today. But if they do that, that'll be nasty. I think they'll hold the 50 at least. Even this 38-2, we get some kind of reaction. But let's see. Skinny your back? What's going on, man?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Right? Locking in like this. But you do have to take some loss. Like you have to know when to take losses because on the personal account, you can indefinitely hold and whatever. So I did take some losses, but
Order submitted.
I readjusted. So today,
Order cancelled.
this is how I traded my personal account on IB, right? So breakout, nice breakout. So, you know, 3,600 on Interactive Brokers, it's like another payout. Another payout. Yesterday I locked in 9.5K, today 3,600. So, but some of you guys look at this, you're like, oh, I know. The answer is to just trade a personal account. Not so. Because if you don't know how to trade futures prop firms and you try to go trade a personal account, you're gonna blow it up. Like guarantee you're gonna blow it up. Guarantee you're gonna blow it up.
Order filled.
Right? So here I had to take $1,000 loss, $900 loss, but then on the key levels I bought back in. Right? In the morning I got a like $1,000 trade here to start it off with.
Order
right?
filled.
And I took some loss here and I got it back here. This is my Interactive Brokers account. So, but you don't get there by just, oh, because it's a personal account, so it's going to work now. It doesn't work like that. You have to understand the market, right? You have to trade it. If you can't take those $300 losses, then you trade micros, right? Then you trade micros. So here, if you didn't take minis, today I trade minis. I used to start with MES, but micros, but I thought it was too slow for me. So instead of taking basically you just divide this by 10. If each of these is one micro, today it'll be $364. You just have to be content. You'll be losing $30 here, $30 here, $31 here, but then you have to be content. Now I've traded for 9 years now, so I don't want to trade one micro. I don't want to do $30 losses. I'm okay with $300 losses. I'm even okay with $3,000 losses, but that's because I have a bigger account. I know that on other times I can get it back and so forth, but you don't just get here. Today on my futures prop account, right? I traded those first.
Order canceled.
I rotated into it. So I really like I really have to thank FSMC for it. I don't know if he's here, but he actually encouraged me to like trade with personal. I had my personal. I was trading options with it, but I never really started doing it until I started seeing his results. He and I'm like, you know what? Might as well put the personal account on third entry. So it's not like I'm not trading my futures account. I'm trading futures, right? Today, all these are funded accounts right there. Okay, this one here is like a funded next eval, which is down like $122. Does it matter? No, it doesn't. Okay. And then I got a few more funded here on Bonox. Unfortunately, I did get one blown up. By the way, this is not income guarantee. I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose all your money. Don't follow what I do. That's the disclaimer, okay? So, this one's down $300. This one is an eval. Everything is a funded account except this one, funded next, which is an eval. Every single one of these are funded accounts. So today, I was able to lock in 1,800 on this. Remember yesterday I passed a whole bunch of 300Ks? So today, I put in a lot of money. This one may be a little too high, 3,000, but I'm going to keep it. 1,800, 1,500, 1,800, 3,000, 700, 500, 200, 800, 1,100, 300, 500. You see what I mean? Like some accounts are more, some accounts are less. But you have to be content. You can't expect every account. If you're like, yo, bro, you should make every account like this, bro. 1,800 is minimum, bro. And then so you go and take this 300 account and then you try to make it 1,800 and you end up making it like this, negative 2,500. You don't do that, okay, guys? You don't do that. You don't do that. Okay? So you gotta be content. Okay? So far today traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 funded. 2 got red, 11 got green. And I locked in on my personal account today 3,600. Now, this is an inspiration. If you go inside the payout section, this is not guaranteed. Okay? Some of you guys look at this, you're like, oh, yo, you know, I can do. It's like, guys, do you know how I told you guys when I first started, I lost $50,000 in a span of 2 months. It was painful, trading penny stocks. Trading is really, really difficult. It takes time to learn it. You got to pay your market tuition. You got to pay your dues. But what is possible
Order
is that
canceled.
you can get rewarded. Not just me. Look at the people who are getting the payouts. No, non-income disclaimer, right? Trader Crest, secure second
Order
payout. Thank you,
canceled.
Let's Bank. So you know the people who are posting these payouts here. Do you think they had gone through no trouble? Do you think it was easy for Horace here to lock in $8,000 with a take profit trader? Highest payout ever on one single account. Do you think he just breezed through it? The answer is no. I locked in another 26 with take profit trader. I like the daily payouts, right? You use the code 40% FSP. You get 40% on no activation. But the point is, you don't get here on day one. No one becomes, some kind of big surgeon on day one. Okay, there's a path to everything. There's a path to everything, right? So guys, remember who enjoyed the minute by minute walk by play here? Right? I was like, okay, when it was like this, I'm like, guys, I think we've seen the temper on this candle. Go watch the replay. Not when it's like here. When it's right here, I'm like, guys, I think we've seen the temporary high for the next 15-20 minutes, right? I did have a short and I covered into it. And then for the next 15-20 minutes, did we get that temporary low? We got it, right? For 15-20 minutes, right? And then I bought into here with my personal account and on a funded account. I did downsize like 2, but then I got the pump here. And now we're back up here. And I said today, I think we're going to chop around here. So far, the bias has worked. Do you guys like that? I'm like, I think they're going to hold the 38.2, right on the 38.2, right on the 38.2. I was like, I think they're going to hold 38.2, but they definitely got to hold the 50%. And they held the 38.2. If you want to learn how to draw these fibs, okay? I also have another video on that inside the course. Okay, first one, Fibonacci retracements, 8.1. Then you look at the boxes, how to draw those boxes. Let's see where the timer is at right now. The timer is at 33 minutes. You got half an hour left if you want my course for 147. Then it goes back up to 247. Now, if you wanted my course for free, just buy 10 take profit accounts. Use the code FSP. But if you want to just get it cheaper, 147 is as cheap you're going to get, right? I mean, after the 2.0 revamp, so far this deal is the best. So if you want to pay the full price, 247 later, you can do that. Just don't do anything right now and let the code expire. Or if you want it, just get it now. Use the code 147. Right? Use the link here on the pinned message, fspfutures.com, get access, and you'll use the code 147 and we get the discount, okay? Mr. Vendo, I just bought it. Thank you so much, FSP, for the flash sale. I do appreciate it. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you too. All right, 1,000 likes. We're going to do 2 more accounts. We're going to do 2 more giveaways. Guys, right now, I'm not going to buy it up here after they run it up here, and I'm not going to short here either. So as you see, like sometimes like trading is about waiting, right? So if I got a whole bunch of these account green right now, 13 funded traded, only 2 red, I got a small red on this eval, I'm going to wait for a better opportunity. Okay? The trouble comes when you try to keep clicking buttons. That's when the trouble comes.
Order submitted.
Panther, you just bought it? Sounds good, man. Mateo. Welcome on board. Fished in. Fishing order fished in. Got a little double top action here after sweeping this high here. Matteo, that's right. It's the cheapest gonna get so far. I mean, I've never had a better deal than this. That's why I'm only running for 1 hour. Does Apple Pay work? I'm not sure. I mean, it's Stripe. So if Stripe takes it, it'll work. If not, it doesn't. I'm not sure. The VIX is popping up today, guys. It's 15.71. So guys, remember, like, you know, large sell-offs happen when no one thinks it can happen, right? You look at a chart like this, it's all bullish, bullish, bullish. Remember that all the data we had so far is like weak jobs and stuff like that, okay? So the data that we recently got is not necessarily very, very good. And yet the market didn't care. They just keep pumping. At some point, the market will get a 15-20% correction or more. Okay? And on that day, you know, people will be like, yo, what happened? What happened is that markets don't go up straight up forever. That's what happens. Just make sure you remember that. So I got fished in on that order. So far, so good. Cash Money, your real name is Matteo too. Nice. Derek, enjoying your program, MSP. Let's keep going. Yeah, let's keep it going. Paulo, FSP, should we build a reasonable buffer before drawing? I don't build any buffer more than what they require. For example, okay? Yesterday on a Take Profit Trader, on this account, I made, on a 50K account, 54605 total profits in this 50K account. What I did is I instantly on that night withdrawn anything above 52000 because this is what they require, mandatory. And then I requested 2600. The reason why I don't wait, wait and build the buffer is because number one, I'm an average Joe trader. I don't trust my, the way I trade sometimes. I'm gonna lock this in right here. Boom, $300. Another trade day. This one is close to payout too. This one's like 3884. Okay. And let's say, if I get a red trade, I don't want to blow that account. Whenever you have an account, you're at payout and you don't take it. Literally, it's you going to the bank or someone hands you, let's say $2,000, whatever the amount is, and you refuse it. They're like, hey, I want to give you the $2,000 now. And you're like, you know what? No, let me think about that. And then 3 days later, it's like this. It's like this, literally. Guys, you really need to understand this. I don't know why a lot of you guys do this, but I hope you really, really understand this. I never really understand why you guys do this. But literally, like, okay, so you're walking on the street one day. You're walking on the street and you're walking. Okay. You're just doing your thing. And all of a sudden, someone goes, yo, Matteo, what's good, bro? Haven't seen you for ages, man. And you're like, I'm sorry, do I know you? Do I know you? We go to the same school. In elementary, primary school. Sorry, remind me your name, please. You don't know my name. You don't listen to my Spotify. I'm a rapper now. And you're like, no, sorry, I don't really listen to rap. I listen to classical music. I like Bach and Mozart. Yeah, I listen to Mozart. And he goes, you know what? Doesn't matter. You don't remember me. It's been so long. I'm doing so good now. I'm just gonna give you $5,000 here. $5,000. Take it. Take it. Just take it before I change my mind, okay? And you go, $5,000? Is this cash for real? Why you give me $5,000? I was gonna give it to you, man. Just take it. Just take it. Oh, I remember who you are. You're that kid that sat across from me. And I never really understood your jokes, but everybody else was laughing and I just pretended to laugh. I didn't really understood your jokes, but I pretended. I understood. I went, ha 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 ha. I hope nobody noticed that I didn't understand your jokes, but now I remember who you are. And he goes, I'll still take it. Take the $5,000. And you go, you know what? Let me think about it. I'm not sure if I want to take money from people that I don't know. You sure? Yeah, let me think about it. All right. See you later, man. See you later. So as he's walking away, he's doing his swag, right? He has his headphones on, he's like a rat, he's doing his thing. You're like, when you try to build a buffer and you don't take the money, you can call it the rapper giving you $5,000. You can call it the teller giving you $5,000. You can call it your mom giving you $5,000. Whoever it is, if you don't take that money and you try to build a buffer, somehow, some way, you're going to blow that account and you're going to lose that $5,000 or whatever it is. So I never build a buffer very, very big in order to withdraw it for a bigger amount later. For what? For show? Oh, I withdrawn like, $50K, $100K. Some people are good like that. I'm just an average Joe trader. Because I know I'm average Joe trader, I'm not going to be like those other dudes that lock in 2.5 mil in like 8 months. You have to know yourself. Okay, you have to know yourself. It's like, okay, well, I'm not that dude that can copy trade 20 accounts and lock in $2.5 million. That dude is a really good trader. I'm just average Joe. So let me just do my thing and lock in my payout, be content, give thanks to my God, and that's it. So that's my philosophy. Trend Seeker, you've been there? $4,000? Did you lose that? Did you lose that 4,000? Sorry to hear that, man. So, I mean, that's my philosophy, okay? But of course, you can do whatever you want, right? You can do whatever you want. Guys, after this pump here, there's really nothing to do here. What is of note is we got this little double top here after the sweep. So for me to like the long again, I'll need them to sweep this bubble here unless we get a quick down here. So really nothing to do here, man. I mean,
Order submitted.
really nothing to do here right now. I mean, short. If you short it here, they can pump it here. I don't want to short. Buy it, they can dump it here. I don't like any of this stuff here. So it's gym time, JB. Nice. Have a good one, man. Enjoy it. Bo, you want to take it? I see what you mean, man. I see what you mean. Yeah, I mean, working out and get some exercise in. We have most likely printed the range of the day today, guys. We most likely printed the range of the day. So, a little sweep coming back down, pull, drop. And you going for a run? There you go. There you go. Sometimes you take money from SP. We have not seen Carlos. He usually shows up on a bear day. but the market's been pumping straight up. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, okay? Don't be a perma bull or perma bear. I'm not saying he's a perma bear. I'm just saying like for me, I'm I'm a natural bull, right? But I'll still take shorts when it looks like the thing is going to go down, right? So, there are some. I haven't seen BP for a while. I know BP used to be one of the mods here. He's going through some stuff, but I don't know if he's here. But he likes the days when it's like bearish, and he shows up too. BP. I don't know where he is now, but. Yeah, always be grateful. That's right, cash money. Never know. Buonox is 90% off now? Really? Let me see. Oh, is Apex doing 90%? Thank you for letting me know. Let me change that code right now. Wow, really? Okay. Until end of the month. Okay, so I changed the code. FSP on Buonox gets you 91% off, meaning it's $15 to get an eval. Now it's time to get it. Let me see if Apex did anything. Why did Buonox do that? Because Buonox like to copy Apex. Apex still 80% off. Interesting. Thank you guys. Whenever you see these things, just let me know. Interesting. You have to use option 1, and it's not end of day. It's trailing weeks. Yeah, 80% until September 23rd. Guys, if you want to be part of the next giveaway, at 1,000 likes, we'll do 2 more, okay? So if you want to be part of it, make sure you like the stream. All we need is another 90 likes or so, and then we get to the 1,000 likes mark, and then we'll do the next draw. Today, you get a mixture of 50K accounts and also a possibility of a 50K Tradeify straight to fund it, okay? So make sure you like the stream and subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, make sure you turn on bell notification, okay? And then follow the instructions inside the Discord for the giveaways, okay? Apex activation is 148.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Well, Tony, they always do these discounts. I don't worry about this, honestly. I actually think that it gives them a big cash injection. I mean, because personally speaking, last 90% off sale with Apex, I bought 100. I bought 100, over 100 on myself. So I can only imagine other people are doing the same thing. So when they do big sales like this, it actually helps them. So I personally don't worry about it. Buonox, same thing, right? So, yeah, Buonox paid or Apex paid out over $500 million, $500 million, right? $500 million. Now that was last time I checked. Now it's probably way more. Let me check right now on Apex. Apex on their website says paid over $566 million, so over $500 million. That's crazy, man. That's mind-boggling. In payouts, and they're also profitable, right? Trader Freedom, Apex pays you over 500K. Yo, we gotta do that. We gotta do the interview. Did you say September or October? I don't remember. We still gotta do the interview. This Saturday, I'm releasing an interview with CK4. If you remember CK4, he gave us one of his Apex strategy. I think you're gonna like him because his strategy is like something that a lot of you, I think, can actually do. He locked in over $170,000 so far on the year in payouts. And he also runs a company with over 100 employees. Okay. So I think you guys are gonna like the interview on Saturday. I'm gonna release it, and I'm also gonna try to set up one with Trader Freedom. Yo, Trader Freedom, can you hit me up on DM, man? Let's try to figure out a time to do that interview. I think people would love to hear yours, man. When will be good for you? You're going to Florida next week, and then soon as you get back, first day you're free. Sounds good, man. When are you back again from Florida? When are you back? So guys, if you guys want to hear an interview with Trader Freedom, he said he made over $500,000. Obviously, on every interview, we log in, we show you, the payouts, right? So you guys know it's legit. And then we're gonna have another great interview and listen to how people have banked, with futures props. So October 3rd. All right, some of you guys, if you remember, maybe Cal or other mods here, when Trader Freedom's back from Florida, remind me to ask him for the interview. If you can hit me up on Discord, that'd be great too, man. Really appreciate that. Trader Freedom. We got such amazing people in the community, and literally, just yesterday we got, I think it was Red Candles, they're insurance agents. I don't know if I think they're probably cutting a deal right now. They said they've been listening many times with I think they said they have 7 people in their office and they're listening to the stream. And then we got Trader Freedom locking in over $500,000 with Apex. We got Trader Bless, who is doing high overt, covert, and even secret missions. Doing protective detail and all that, and you guys doing your thing. So it's great.
Order filled.
That's right, Saeed. Grateful for a place where we trade, bank, and pray together. That's right. God bless you too, Alexander. God bless you too. All right, retesting in 23.6 now. Can't wait to get like some of you guys. What do you mean get like some of you guys? Right now we're on the previous overnight highs on the yellow line, right? Last time we bounced here and we popped. This time so far, do they do it? Or do they go another leg lower?
Order submitted.
Which prop firm 90% off? Buonox. If you want to know the prop firms I use and the discounts, right? Go inside here under prop firm discounts, and right here you see all the prop firms. Take Profit Traders, my number one, because of the daily payouts, right? Yesterday I locked in a $2,600 payout requested. After 80-20 splits, $2,000, and that's why I like them, because you can get daily payouts. And then Apex right now is 80% off. Tradeify, if you want instant funded, meaning that if you don't want to waste time passing evals, you can get instant funded accounts on day one, right? So that's Tradeify. Use the code FSP, right? All these prop firms, one code FSP. FundNX, we talked about yesterday, a prop firm that we got 35 giveaways per month, and the rapid accounts are really good, right? 1 day pass, you can withdraw into the buffer, and if they don't pay you within 24 hours, they give you $1,000 extra, which this shows that they're going to pay fast, right? You can trade news. If you have a 50K account, once you get to 3,000, you can withdraw 1,500. So it increases your chances to getting payout, because you don't have to get to like 4,100, like Apex or Bonox. You can, like, once you get 3,000, then you can get a payout. So that's FundNX, right? So you can use the code FSP, you get the discount, use the link. Bonox right now is running 91% off, right? So this is the link here. Use the code FSP. And then of course my fund and futures. Today I'm giving away some accounts there. One of the OGs. And trade day is like if you want more daily payouts, like take profit accounts, you can use trade day. Of course, they don't come. They can't beat take profit. Take profit is still number one because they got 5 maximum funded, and they're also been there for a while. So, by the way, guys, 10 minutes left on the flash sale on the course. Okay, so if you want my course at 12 o'clock, you see the bottom left here. This is gonna expire. Okay, so if you want my course for $100 off, now's the time, right? Literally at 12 o'clock, the coupon will automatically expire by the system. Okay, so if you want it for literally $100 cheaper, now's the time to get it. Okay. Ten minutes left. 10 minutes left on that. So far, they're grinding lower here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pretty steep pull, 816 to 750 with no bounce yet. I want to see a higher low here. I want to see a higher low and go back up. If we break this here, we go to 50%. If we break this here, we go to 50%. It's kind of getting hurt here. Great job, man. Great short. I mean, I wish I got that, but man, getting hurt here,
Order
man.
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
It's not gonna make it. I mean, it's not gonna make a 50-point dump here. Brutal. Afternoon hard pull. They just swept this previous low here. They may be going for the 50%. This is not gonna make it.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Well, that was not fun. Not even a temporary pop after a sweep. Okay.
Order canceled. 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 Order filled.
Took a fat loss on two accounts. Took a $900 loss. And this one taking a fat loss too. But at least not blown up.
Order canceled.
Disgusting. Lunch rate. If we don't
Order
hold here, we go
submitted.
into 50%.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, it's a numbers game, man. It's a numbers game. What a fade from here. 770, like straight down. Crazy stuff. If they don't hold here, guys, you go to 50%. We don't hold 50%. Man, we can do some nasty stuff today. We don't hold 50%. We can come all the way back down, even in this box. And then once we do that, we can even break lower.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Unbelievable. Got chopped up both sides. I'm gonna take a break. Be right back. right. All right. Let me turn off the flash sale here. So that one's done.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Blown up an account I just took a payout on. So upset. I just took a payout on this account. I had $8,000 balance on it. I went oversized. If I didn't oversize here, I would have been able to save it. But because I oversized it, just took a payout on this. $8,000. Blown it up. Okay. All right. That's fine.
Order filled.
That's fine. It happens. It happens. You know, it sucks. But lunchtime raid. Lunchtime raid. Printed bearish. Then rip it back up. Squeeze me out. Yeah. Staying again. Yeah. Underneath 23.6 here. If we stay below the 770, 780, we probably take another leg lower. Right now in the hourly chart, unless we can pump back up, we gain 770, 780, we get a W pattern. It's just right here, like, because I added in too soon. I didn't expect them to do a huge down move like this. And that's why 16 cons here, I just couldn't adjust. If I only had like 2, right? And I let it go here, and I that would have been able to fix. But somehow, sometimes with these 300K accounts, I got 35 cons, I added to it, and that's how it got me, you know? All right, let me go back to Boondocks here. I'm really upset. I'm really upset at that trade. Shouldn't have done that. That was stupidity. This is why I don't copy trade, guys. Because I don't trust myself. I do stupid stuff like this. You know what I mean? Like literally dumb stuff like this. If I only did like 2 contracts, you know, just let it, whatever, hold it like 20, you know, just, I don't know how I like just, man. It's fine. I mean, I locked in 11.5K yesterday. I locked in 11,000 yesterday, so. I mean, it sucks. I mean, I just took a payout on that, but it just, emotionally, it's very, very annoying. That's all.
Order filled.
I even long too personal here, right here in 736 again. On this move, because I was so down on that prop, I got out of it only to pump again now. And I took a $200 loss on this here. So when you don't trade your props well, you affect your personal as well. So yeah, DJ, well, the only difference is I actually took a payout with the rapper story. This is like a brand new account. Like that $8,000 that I just blown up, I literally just took a payout on it. And that was like a nice buffer. All I got to do is to walk it up the payout and would have another payout. But somehow just something got to me like stupidity, like 760 to like in 40 points. I should not have scaled in like 16 guns because I was like emotionally caught up there. And so that's what I did. So I'm not sure if I'm making another 11K tomorrow. If it happens, it happens, but I'm not going to shoot for it. Just have to take one trade at a time. You know, obviously they did a lunch rate, right? From here, they printed really bearish A16. They rated almost 100 points lower. And at that time, like when it looks like this, you know, it makes you feel like it's going to go lower and hit that 50%. And all they did was pop it back up. So pretty dirty stuff sometimes, pretty dirty stuff. Market sometimes does that. You know, they do dirty stuff and you just have to adjust. You just have to adjust.
Order canceled.
Good news is
Order submitted.
this account's back green. This account was also down with that
Order
account.
canceled. Order
This account took a payout too, but now it's locked in 1600. This account was down $900 too. I did two funded accounts here. One got blown up, and this one now back green. So at least the consolation is that.
Order filled.
Lock in one more. As you see, guys, trading is sometimes rough. You know. I mean, you know, it's not always sunshine and rainbows. You got to learn from your mistakes. I knew exactly what went wrong. I went stupid mode here. 16 contracts in a 40-point range. Dumb stuff. Sometimes we do dumb stuff. That's why I don't trust myself. That's why I don't copy trade. Okay, you do just one move, you do dumb. Can you imagine if I copy trade 20 accounts? You know, but because I only have one account, that one blown
Order
up.
submitted.
This one now banking on the second entry. So it's not even that I got too confident. It's here I didn't expect him to do that big dive, and I start adding like too early, too much too fast.
Order canceled.
So that's why I tell you guys, don't copy my trades, okay? Don't copy my trades because, you know, sometimes you get them blown up, okay? And it sucks, but it's all part of trading. But even with that one account, even though like sometimes your mind will mess with you, right? Your mind will mess with you because like today so far, I got this account blown up, but look at the other accounts. Even the eval that used to be red, now got back green on this one. And like somehow at that moment you feel very bad about yourself, right? You're like, why did I do that? That was so stupid. But hey, I mean, you know, and also locking in, I mean, I lost a couple $100 from my personal because of that chop there, but still locked in 3.4K so far on a personal. Right? All these green, this one blown up. Does it suck? It sucks, man. It sucks. I mean, I wish I didn't blow that one up, but you know, I'm still doing super bright green today. Super bright green. But this account got me very emotional, right? Got me very emotional. So you have to recognize that very, very bright green today, but sometimes, you know, your emotions can get to you and you have to manage those emotions. You have to manage those emotions, right? So
Order submitted.
yeah, David, sometimes like you do it in the past and it works and it rewards you, and at times it doesn't, then that's when it doesn't work. And that's when, you know, you get hurt. So, all right, I'm out on the sweep. $2,000 on this account, funded. Nice. That's why I use the PA roster. Okay, some of you guys just got the course. Go to 3.2 and download this PA roster right here. I explained to you in this video how I rotate my accounts using this PA roster. So some get sacrificed, so others get the payout. Can you imagine if I copy traded 20 accounts on that drop, expecting the bob, and then I did what I did? But because I rotated it, I only blew that one account, which sucked. It really sucks because at $8,000, I just took a payout on it. It sucks to blow that 8,000. I know, I'm an average Joe trader, and that's why I make stupid mistakes like that. But still, you can be net green like this if you rotate your accounts properly. Non-income guarantee, trading's really hard. You can lose all your money. Don't follow me, right? That's a disclaimer. But that's why I don't copy trade. If you ask me, yo, FSP, why don't you copy trade? That's why. You just saw it. Sometimes I do stupid stuff. Sometimes you do stupid stuff. Okay? And when you do stupid stuff, you don't want to have everything come down with it. Okay. So. Yeah, you can use a smaller lot, right? You can use a smaller lot. All right, now that they're rated here, if you're bullish, you want them to hold this and start pumping now. Okay, you don't want them to go lower. There may be one more move to the 50%, and then if you hit the 50%, you better see that hold. The previous high here, you better see the hold. Right now, we should see, like, if we consolidate and build a base here, another retest, we should go higher. So I'm going to try to long into it. But just remember, if they break the 50%, it's going to be real bad. You cannot keep catching that, okay? If they break the 50%, do not keep catching that. Or else it'll be like a 2.0 stupidity repeat on what you saw earlier.
Order submitted.
Oh, no, not 4 contracts. What's going on here? 1.
Order submitted.
You're scalping 3 to 6 MNQ? There we go. We're close to 1,000 likes. That's right. If you're enjoying the stream, you want to be part of the giveaway. We're giving away 2 more at 1,000 likes. Make sure you go and like the stream and subscribe to the channel. At 1,000 likes, we'll do the next one. Okay. Very important. Do we break out of this pennant? Do we go above this area here, or do we reject? Pretty important. We got a downtrend break in the 5-minute, possibly setting up. We got a massive 5-minute downtrend break, possibly setting up. Possibly. Which is this right here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
But I'm going to try to scalp it.
Order submitted.
Let me double check if that code is expired. I want to make sure it's expired. Yep, expired. Can't use it. All right, cool. Zach, I greatly appreciate all the encouraging words today. Honestly, making a big difference in my day and trading journey. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just gonna cut it. Just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna go short a downtrend break here. $40, no problem. You're up $400 just scalping 3-6 MNQ, walking to profit. Great job. That's exactly how it's done. Great job.
Order canceled.
Got people locking in payouts today. And PNL, some of you guys are locking in PNLs as well. Stopped copy trading and started trading my 3 funded accounts individually. So far, so good. It's allowed me to take great trades that were also less stressful than copy trading. There you go. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. It's less stressful, right, Shima? Kim here, locking it in. Kat here on the cruise. Patience pays. Sage here. Pex and Chen. Venderman ATR done. Crazy. These are all yesterday. Let's see today's. Today's first payout, Daniel. Yo, Daniel, you gotta post this in the payout section, man. Daniel, you here? You should post it in the payout section, Daniel. Great job, man. We got a 5-minute breakout here. Downtrend breakout. 3,000 bucks with Take Profit Trader. Love it. Great job, Daniel. You gotta post it in the payout section though, okay? Short share, J1, Libra trades. You guys are locking in those profits today, man. Slowly but surely. JXL, Cat done trading work. Paxton Jen. Wow, you guys are killing it today. Nice. Mickey, hey FSP, can I get a 20k badge? Was at 16.5 prior to, and now a couple of Apex payouts. And my first Trader 5 payout. Great community, amazing knowledge during the streams, and love the daily prayer. I'm not gonna lie, had a tough August, but still keep the faith and taking profit when I can, slow and steady. Just an average Joe trader. Love it, love it. Apex 3,000 here, another 1,000 here. Great job, Mickey. Mickey, are you on the stream? Give you the 20k badge. Well done, Mickey. Jamie, today's not your day? Well, what do you mean? Today's not my day? Okay. Not sure what you mean by that, but I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's 12 volt. What's going on, man? This man is a gift from God. Only by the grace of God. Only by the grace of God. Today and every day is the Lord's day. Amen. Oh, I had too many here, and I gave it up because of that funded account, and now it's breaking out. Painful. At 7:36, I re-dipped it here, and because of
Order
that
filled.
with the funded account, we got the downtrend break. That's why I cut the short here. So you can't wait to frame your certificate from Take Profit. Nice. Yeah, good thing I cut the short. I mean, it's because it's downtrend break, right? Downtrend break, you short it. They beeline it. I normally long this, but I can't long it up here after like a 50-point pump. So that's why I have to cut that short. You have to recognize what's going on when it's downtrend breaking, right, to the upside. You gotta cut it. Giveaways at 1,000 likes. Not as easy as yesterday.
Order canceled.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, I got one account blown up, but it's a very, very bright green day for me today. So, you know, this is the outlier. Obviously, blown that account that I just took a payout on. But other than that, today is really, really nice.
Order
Very, very bright
submitted.
green. I mean, obviously with FOMC yesterday, I like that volatility. Every time, I mean, we all have ups and downs days, right? So Kel, you loving SMC synthetic DCA? Save you today? 2 accounts, longer stops? I'm not sure if he's here. He has his full-time job as well. He's doing some top secret stuff, but next time he's here, you can thank him, Kel. Yeah, I mean, that was a nice interview. We got another interview this Saturday. You know, I always try to hook you guys up. This Saturday, we got CK4. CK4 he runs a company with his wife with over like a electronics repair shop, over 100 employees. And yet, he still trades prop firms, rotating accounts. You'll hear all the details.
Order canceled.
This Saturday, I'm going to release it. So, we just got so many amazing people in this community. We got Trader Freedom after Florida. He's going to share how he got paid $500,000 with Apex, right? Just all around great people. You know, this is the community we want to build, right? We come together. We're not afraid to acknowledge that, you know, many of us are just average Joe traders. Some people, they do better, like, you know, Trader Freedom. We got Robin, they lock in 800K, you know, $500,000 with, you know, Trader Freedom, whatever. But we're not like ashamed. We don't have to be this and that. You know, I don't have to be like, oh, I locked in $1 million. No, you don't have to, you know, just lock in 1,000 here, 2,000 there, you know, a few hundred here, a few hundred there. And then we just share experiences, but we encourage each other. You know, we give thanks to our God. What a great,
Order submitted. Order filled.
ATJ, how many prop accounts have you blown starting out? I've been trading 15 days and just blew first account. You're doing really well. If you trade 15 days, you only blew one, you did really well. I mean, I blew hundreds of evals by now. Hundreds. Uncountable. But it's a trader's journey. And occasionally you're going to get a guru tell you something like, oh, I only like, you know, blown like 30 accounts or whatever. And, you know, I only spent 1K, 2K, and I locked in like $1 million, 2 million. Okay, great. Good for you. Most people can't do that. It's like the guy who won the lottery and says like, you know what? I don't know why all you peasants are working. I locked in a $20 million lottery. See ya. Well, okay. Well, great for you. Good for you. Most people are not going to win a $20 million lottery. Right? So it's, most people, you know, just, it's like the bell curve, right? The bell curve. University they teach you about. There are some people who are really, really great traders. Some people who are, and most people who are more like, you know, general average, right? You have not blown an account today. I like that.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Antonio, the man, locking in 14.7K. Nice. Great job, man. I'm just gonna give you the 15K badge. Oh, there's no 15K badge, sorry. The next one is 20K, so. Are you over 20K though on your other firms? Or is this your first payout? Peter, beginning prop firm is Apex and Bonox for you right now because they're cheaper. And right now, Bonox have 91% off, Apex have 80% off. Use the code FSP. If you go inside our Discord here, underneath prop firm discount, you'll see all the maximum discounts you can get here, okay? Yo, Antonio. Great job, man. You go 10K? Nice. First payout? Nice. Great job, man. Happy for you. Guys, if you want some inspiration, come here daily and look at what people have achieved, right? Look at what people have achieved and be inspired. Be inspired, right?
Order submitted.
Because trading is really difficult, but the possibilities are endless. So you just gotta stay in the game. Thank you for those of you guys who reminded me about while I had that one account really upset, hurt. Just a reminder that we gotta stay in the game. Okay.
Order submitted.
Yeah, Bonox 91% off, only work with 50K accounts and up, and option 1 only. You don't need to do 25Ks. I'll never do 25Ks, it's just too small. 50K is good. I got the pop here. So far, pretty strong today. Got back me in this account. Was down the account, stopped fighting the short, and got good here. So, you know, this was a pretty dirty move here, man. This is a pretty dirty move here. So,
Order
I mean, they got
canceled.
everybody out on the. Well, I mean, not everybody got me out. So, man. So I'm so like this bittersweet. I got off right here. I relonged to 736 here with 2 minis on my personal account, but because of that 8K loss on that funded, I just couldn't hold it. This would be another like, I don't know what, like 2 grand. It happens sometimes. Oh well, don't be greedy. Be content. Still got 3.4K today on that. So Rexa the second time, big orders at 800. Yo, why do you just come on when there's like a big order? You gotta give us a shout out earlier, man. I played your song yesterday, and you know, and then you just jet after. What's the deal with that, man, Rexa? Michael Slislow, what's going on, man? Yo, thank you for always being in the Discord, answering those questions. I thank you, brother. Okay. Give honor and thanks where it's due, man. Thank you. Those of you guys, if you like, let's see the mods in the Discord or here in the live chats, different type of mods, but whenever someone helps you out, make sure you thank them, okay? Because they don't have a duty to answer your questions, right? Sometimes some people have this mentality. It's like, okay, ask a question, you have to answer me. No, nobody have to answer you anything. No one owes you anything in life. So just, you know, be kind, you know, be respectful, thank people when they helped you, right? Because I'm trading 20 accounts and I can't be on 5 places at the same time, I have only 6 screens. Rex, I like that. Yo, I saw your setup. Pretty nice. Let me go to your setup here. Trading setup. Where's the trading setup? Yo, where's the trading setup, man? I got so many channels, I can't even find it right now. Where is the trading setup? I can't find my own channel stuff. Oh, there it is. Look at that, Rex. Oh, you got our live stream here, huh? And then you got 1, 2. Where's the other 2 monitors? 1, 2. You only got 4 here. Little monitors. Look at that. Yo, why do you drink Coke Zero, man? Why do you drink Coke Zero? If you drink the classic, man, I assure you it's better. I tried this Coke Zero. It's kind of nasty. Some people like them though. You know, this water is more healthy for you though, okay? Don't pop so many of these. Don't pop so many of these Coke, man. It's like 38 grams of sugar. Zero is the best. Lior, yo, are you the Lior that got married and locked in 23K 3 weeks before? Are you that Lior? I've been talking about you in a couple of streams. Are you that Lior? Mini fridge desk, man. Aspartame is horrible. Well, in a society, right? It's like, this is what they're giving people, right? Aspartame, corn syrup, MSG. Yo, Lior. Oh, you're the other Lior? That's still good. It's still good, man. Coke's bad for your teeth? Yeah, that's why I need to get them cleaned, you know? Guys, make sure you post in the right section, right? Right place. Post in the right place. If you don't, it just gets ignored, okay? Some of you guys, other guys have these setups. This is SMC setup. I think he has a cold plunger or something like that. He has a cold plunger somewhere. This is SMC setup. If you listen to the interview, you know, pretty cool. Some of you guys got your setups going on. Sometimes a laptop, you know, trading from school. Yeshua D. Only day trades here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Bonox does have an activation fee. $148. $148. You trade on an iPhone? You want to see my setup? You don't really want to see it. You guys got more interesting setups than I do, so.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Right now I got a couple pizzas here.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
You guys really want to see it? All right, fine. So I don't want to make you jealous, okay? I do have some killer monitors, okay? So don't tell me, oh, you're showing off and all that, okay? I do need a setup, right? Obviously I need to stream, so I need a very complicated setup. Don't chew me out and be like, yo, you're bragging, bro. You're bragging, bro, okay? Just make sure you don't do that, okay? I got a very, very super complicated setup. And, you know, obviously just don't chew me out and be like, you showing off, bro. All right, don't tell me I'm showing off here, okay? So, all right. So obviously I need two monitors. At the least. I got the mic, right? And you know, they do the job. You know, I make sure I need two dual monitors. I like to have my mouse pad hanging on the side, you know, because kind of like sometimes a little jittery. So I gotta hang my mouse pad right on the tip of that desk, and this is actually really comfortable. You know, this thing here, rest your hand on it. You like my good one, okay? Good one, okay? You don't this Nokia, you know, 8824 or whatever. This is a really good one, okay? And so, as you can see, sometimes I look at the news of what the current news on financial juice here, right? So, and so you know, there you go. I told you, don't chew me out and be like I'm showing off here, okay? So I run my huge computer here, right? I got my whole setup, all these cables and everything. So, you guys like it?